Hello everyone, in this video we are going to add integers. So when we add integers, we're going to come across two different types of problems. Problem number one is here on the left side, where both of the numbers that I'm adding together have the same sign. So notice here, these parentheses are just to separate the addition sign from the negative sign. So this first rule, when the signs are the same, as in these two examples, we're going to add the numbers and keep the sign. So this is the easier of the two rules. So I have a -3 plus -7. We'll just add 7 plus 3 gives me 10, and I'm going to keep the sign. It's going to be -10. You can look at this, let's look at this one down here. You can look at this as, let's say you owe $9, so you're $9 in debt, which represented by -9. So you're $9 in debt to one friend and $4 in debt to another friend. Well, how much debt are you in altogether? You're in $13 of debt. Again, the only thing I have to do is add these numbers together, 9 and 4 to get 13, and keep the sign. For the second rule over here, notice that both of these two problems have, the signs are different. So the first thing I have to do is I have to find the difference in the absolute values. So remember, the absolute value refers to a number's distance from 0 on a number line. So let's find the difference in the absolute value. So the absolute value of -12 is 12, and the absolute value of 7, is 7. So if I just find the difference in these absolute values, I get 5. So the digit for my answer is going to be 5, but the question is it going to be positive or negative? So once we find the difference in the absolute values, we're going to use the sign of the number with the greater absolute value. So if I go back to my original problem here, I have two numbers. I have -12 and +7. Well, -12 is farther from 0 on a number line, so therefore it has a greater absolute value, so I'm using that sign. So my answer is -5. In this example, again, I have 15 plus -6, which I can imagine this. Let's say you have $15 in your pocket, because maybe your relative sent you $15 for your birthday, but you owe your friend $6. So after you pay your debt, how much money will you have left? So again, let's take the absolute value of 15, which is 15, and the absolute value of -6, which is 6, and find the difference. So 15 minus 6 is 9. That's my digit. Now, which one of these numbers is farther from 0? Is it 15 or -6? Well, 15 is farther from 0, and since 15 is positive, my answer is positive. So there you go. That's how you add integers. Thanks for watching. Leave any comments or questions below,